Hi, Assalamualaikum everyone. Let's continue the next topic for physical geography, which is comparing types of mountain. Okay, first of all, what is mountain? Mountain is an elevated rocky land feature. We can find these features at the lithosphere. The mountain is higher and larger than hills. Mountains are wide at their base, rise to a peak or summit, and also the low-lying area between two mountains, we call it as valley. There are three types of mountain. The first one is fault mountain. Okay, fault mountain form when an extreme pressure push a portion of Earth's rocky crust upward. So you can imagine a pressure cooker when you boil something hot that comes from the inner layers of the Earth, push the crust upward, and then the crust then buckle or fall over, forming a fault mountain. Okay, so the second type of mountain is fault block mountain. So how does fault block mountain form? Is when the portion of Earth crust hit along a fault or fracture. Originally, there's a fracture on this land. When the Earth crust hit it, and then it's happened that there's a part that's sinking and there's a part that are rising. So the rising part is the fault block mountain. So this is how it looks like. This is the rising part, and then this is the sinking part. And the third types of mountain is volcanic mountain. Okay, volcanic mountain form as a result of repeated eruption of magma, molten rock that's come from the opening of the Earth crust. Earth's surface of magma cooled into a lava, and eventually this lava will be hardened. So when it keeps hardening, there's lava flow here and then harden. Over the long period of time, volcanic mountain form. Okay, next, I want to introduce to you to the mountain range. Mountain range is a group of mountain in one particular place. So this is how it looks like. Okay, there's a lot of mountain in one area, and if you could look at the map, if you see a lot of bumpy parts in the map, then that is the mountain range. Here are the example of animals and plants that live at the mountain. As you know, mountain is high, so it is cool. Not all animals and plants can live there. So we have here salamander, dozen lizard, red leg frog, grizzly bears, pikas, goat mountain, and then the flower perilot, reed grass, daphne, golden yellowhorns. Okay, so now I want to introduce to you to the 7 kinds of volcanic mountain. Okay, first one is an active volcano. It's a volcano that possibly erupt. Okay, so we can see over the 50 years, there's some activity come out from that volcano. So that volcano, we call it as an active volcano. Number 2, dormant volcano. So dormant volcano is an active volcano for at least 50 years, but it still can be erupted. And we usually say it as a sleeping volcano mountain. Okay, number 3, extinct volcano. So extinct volcano is a volcano that is inactive and it has become its history and it will no longer erupt. Number 4, underwater volcano. So this volcano, you can find it underwater. Number 5, shield volcano. So this type of volcano has a gentle slope. That means this volcano is not too high because it's gentle, and the lava will flow gently over a great distance. Number 6, cone volcano. Cone volcano is a volcano that have a circular base. And last types of volcanic mountain is composite volcano. The volcano has eruption which alternate between slow lava flow and explosive debris-filled lava. Okay, that means sometimes it's slow flowing, sometimes it's explode. So that I mentioned before, when the slow lava, it will cool and then harden. So we can see that there's a lot of bumpy side of the mountain because some of it harden, some of it explode, flow faster. The sides are resisted to the erosion due to the hard crust form on the expelled materials. Okay, last one. Okay, so here this one shows a contour map. So contour map is a map that shows the height of the mountain. So if you can see a lot of curved line here, that shows that there's a mountain at that area. So this is example of the contour map. So you can find the elevation of mountain by looking at the contour map. Find the peak of the mountain is to find the center of the contour. The outer line will be the base of the mountain. Just underline the vertical and then follow the numbers. The bigger the numbers, the higher the level. Okay? So we will learn more details on how to draw the contour map in the class. Alright, so that's all from me. Assalamualaikum.